As you grow old, certain aging signs become visible on your face. Wrinkles and fine lines make your skin lose its elasticity and start to sag. Aging is a natural process, but it can make your skin cells break down and make you appear old. Though you cannot reverse this process, certain nutrients can help you slow aging and make you look younger for longer. You must include items containing such minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants in your daily diet. In this video, we are gonna share with you those vitamins that will make you look younger. 1. Vitamin C. Despite vitamin C's notoriety for boosting our immune systems, what you might not know is that it's also involved in collagen production and helps protect skin cells from sun damage. Where it's found: bell peppers any color, broccoli, strawberries, guava. Citrus fruits like pineapples, lemons, limes, oranges, etc. How much you need. Did you know that bell peppers are packed with 280 mg of vitamin C, whereas oranges only contain 90 mg? While you need at least 100 mg of vitamin C daily, there's not really a set daily amount that you should eat, so we suggest that you go out of your way to eat 2 of the mentioned above fruits or veggies per day. 2. Vitamin E. Vitamin E acts as a cell membrane protectant. It guards what comes in and what goes out of the skin. When combined with vitamin C, it protects against UV damage. Where it's found: wheat germ can be added to protein shakes, oatmeal, bread crumbs, muffins, yogurt, nuts and seeds like sunflower seeds, peanuts, almonds, avocados. How much you need. Eat 1 tablespoon of the wheat germ, 2 avocado slices, or a small handful of nuts. 3. Beta-Carotene. Beta-Carotene is crucial for skin health. It converts to vitamin A, which is critically responsible for cell repair and growth. Where it's found: carrots, pumpkins, cantaloupe, Swiss chard, spinach, kale. How much you need. Aim for 2 servings a day of one of the above fruits or veggies. 4. Omega-3. While fat is typically a 4-letter word, in the dieting world, omega-3 is good fat. Healthy fats keep the skin lubricated, help maintain the integrity of the cell membrane, which keeps toxins out of the skin, and may even help protect against sun damage. Where it's found: ground flax seeds, walnuts, safe, low-contaminate fatty fish such as wild salmon, Atlantic, mackerel, and sardines, edamame. How much you need. Eat 3 to 5 ounces of fish, 3 to 5 times per week. If you don't eat fish, you can get your omega-3s in the form of a fish oil supplement, but we suggest you to speaking with your doctor before taking one, since it can thin your blood. And choose a supplement that has 1000 mg of EPA and DHA combined. 5. Polyphenols. Studies have shown that polyphenols exhibit anti-cancer properties and may reduce the risk of sun-related cancers. Where it's found: it found in green tea. How much you need. Drink it at least 1 cup a day. 6. Selenium. Selenium protects the skin's quality and elasticity, and protects it from the sun. Where it's found: wheat germ, seafood, eggs. How much you need. There's not really a set amount that we suggest, but try to incorporate these foods into your diet to make sure you're getting some selenium. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Watching for more videos, subscribe to our channel.